Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Monday, June 30th, 2025. Robinhood launches token stocks on Arbitrum 1. ETH Panda Ops recommends a 45 million gas limit. ENS launches an information hub for ENS v2. And OpenZeppelin sunsets its Defender platform. All this and more starts right now. Robinhood launched tokenized stocks and ETFs on Arbitrum 1, offering access to over 200 US tokenized equities on-chain. The release is initially available to European customers and features zero commissions, dividend payouts, and 24/5 trading. Robinhood plans to eventually migrate the tokenized assets to Robinhood Chain, its own Layer 2 network built on the Arbitrum Orbit stack. For each share purchased, one token is minted on-chain. Future phases will allow users to transfer stock tokens to self-custodial wallets. Additionally, Robinhood also announced plans to introduce a crypto perpetual futures exchange and aims to offer access to tokenized private companies' shares, such as tokenized OpenAI and SpaceX stock. ETH Panda Ops, an Ethereum DevOps team specializing in testing and infrastructure for protocol upgrades, now recommends validators to increase the gas limit to 45 million units. The recommendation comes after extensive testing, demonstrating that network propagation remains within safe margins, no new EIPs are required for the change, and decentralization is not compromised. All major Ethereum clients have now released or will release client versions with a default gas limit of 45 million. The broader Ethereum Layer 1 scaling roadmap aims to raise the block gas limit from the current 36 million towards a long-term goal of 100 million gas per block, potentially by the Fusaka upgrade. Validators are advised to update their clients and adopt the new 45 million gas limit. The Ethereum Name Service launched the ENS v2 Hub, a central resource for information about the upcoming ENS v2 upgrade and the rollout of its name chain Layer 2 network. The hub offers key resources, presentations, and technical updates. ENS v2 is an overhaul of the current ENS architecture. ENS v2 introduces a new registry, new smart contracts, new applications, and the namechain Layer 2 network. Namechain will be built leveraging Linea's ZK tech stack. The upgrade aims to extend core.eth domain activities to Layer 2. The v2 deployment will bring lower costs, improved interoperability, reduced friction, and faster transaction finality. And lastly, OpenZeppelin announced that it is sunsetting Defender, its security software-as-a-service platform designed to help manage, monitor, and safeguard smart contracts. Defender will officially shut down on July 1st, 2026, 1 year from now. In the coming weeks, OpenZeppelin will release migration guides to help developers transition. The company cited its shift towards open-source developer tools, stating that open-source tools will outpace any hosted software-as-a-service alternatives. In other news, Vitalik publishes a blog post on digital ID risks, Chainlink introduces the automated compliance engine, and Velodrome launches SuperSwaps. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.